Assalamualaikum. I am Abdur Rahman and my roll number is 860181. Today the topic of my presentation is a brief introduction of instrumentation of IR spectroscopy. In IR spectroscopy we will discuss about the double beam IR spectrophotometer. This double beam IR spectrophotometer consists of many components. The number one component is IR sources, mean infrared source, 4 mirrors, name M1, M2, M3 and M4, sampling, reference, optical chopper, monochromator, detector and at last recorder. First we will discuss about the IR source which emit the IR radiation. IR source of the following type: null nest glober, nichrome heating coil. In null nest glober, it consists of a filament made up of the oxides of zirconium, yttrium, rubidium. When we heat that filament, a wide range of IR is produced. In globular, rod of sintered glass silicon carbide. The filament of globular is consist of rod of sintered silicon carbide. When we heat that filament, it releases less intense IR radiation than null nest glober. And at last one is nichrome heating coil. The second component is sample. The sample may be solid sample, liquid sample, gas and solution sample. In contrast with the UV visible spectroscopy, there we only use a solution sample, but there we will use solid, liquid and gas, all the samples. Third one component is reference and fourth one component is optical chopper. The optical chopper alternately transfer the radiation coming from the sample and reference towards the monochromator. The monochromator consists of following components: prism or grating. The prism is not only the simple prism or normally used prism. It consists of the alkali metal halide, maybe NaCl, KBr and cerulean bromide, or maybe grating. There is a picture of a grating consist. Now the next component is detector. Detector may be a bolometer, thermocouple, thermistor, semiconductor or photoconductivity detector. And the last one is recorder. There the radiation coming from detector can be absorbed on the base of the wave number and absorption value. And the beam which transferred from monochromator to detector have a range of 4000 cm inverse to 667 cm inverse. So I repeat all that thing. When source of IR radiation emit the IR radiation, it reflect from both two mirrors and passing through sample, and this beam passing to that reference. After reflection from M2 and M4, the radiation comes towards the optical chopper. Optical chopper alternately transferred that beam towards monochromator. The monochromator convert these polychromatic beam of light into the monochromatic beam. The monochromatic beam can be detected from that sources and then convert and then transfer to the recorder.